Good morning, class, and welcome to your object lesson on the USS Maine. The U.S. Maine was sunk in Havana Harbor February 15th, 1898. The reason for the sinking was believed to be a mine concluded by the U.S. government. Although they stated that there was no blame placed on Spain. This did not stop the rest of the United States from blaming the sinking of the Maine on Spain. This created something called yellow journalism. Yellow journalism is essentially when you try to change a story to benefit you politically. So you essentially push something that isn't true in order to create a narrative that fits your political views. This is important because this still happens today, as both sides of the political aisle change stories in order to push their agendas. Yellow journalism was successful in using such sayings as "Remember the Maine" in creating a war between the U.S. and Spain. The U.S. beat Spain, leading to a victory and the acquisition of multiple territories that were formerly held by the Spanish. In 1976, the U.S. Navy concluded that a fire, most likely in the ammunition bay or inside the coal storage, was the reason for the Maine exploding, not a mine as previously thought. Thank you for listening.